Your touch is so kind. You're the best thing I've